What's up everybody? Welcome to BalkanMoto. Today we're going to start painting the door and the staircase. So first on the list is going to be moving some of the stuff out of the way and prepping the space for paint. So to do that, we're going to remove these rubber mats. We're going to remove all this paper stuff on the door, that little like hinge thing up there, and we're actually going to remove the deadbolt and the handle. I will be replacing those with the different color ones, so that we can actually paint everything in eggshell black. So let's get on with it. Let's move the parts bike and perhaps the cafe racer out of the way and some of these bins out of the way, and we can start with that. All right, the door is all clean from all the different things that was on it. The deadbolt and the doorknob are off, and all the rubber bits are off of here. We can probably remove this mat as well. I swept it from dust, and we're ready to start painting. For the paint, we're going to use just a regular interior eggshell black, and we're just gonna add it on. I'm just gonna try to be like really careful with the edges here instead of taping it. After doing the garage walls and the ceiling, I got pretty used to having a pretty steady hand, so I'll just do that. So let's start cutting the corners with the brush and painting everything. The stairwell is painted partially with the first coat. I did the frame of the door and the door itself. So before I continue with the steps, just so I can still come in and out of the house, I'm gonna wait for this to dry out. Then I'll do kind of the other set, and then I'll do one more or two more coats, since a lot of this is being painted by brush and it's not a very clean coat. So we'll do that. All right, and this is what it's looking like with two coats of black on the door and the door frame, and one coat on each of the side rails. I still need to paint the stairs and do more coats. Right now the coverage looks fairly good, but I probably will do a third coat so that you know, we can get a nice even eggshell black all around, no white or red peeking through it. So that's what the door looks like after it's all dry. I ended up installing the new passcode deadlock or deadbolt, sorry, and the new handle. This stuff is also dry. This had one coat on it. So now we're gonna focus on painting all this stuff and then doing a little bit of touch up on the door where it needs it. Even though I did two coats, there still is some more room for improvement with the black. So let's keep on painting. All right, and this is what it looks like fully painted. So from a bit further back, we have a black door, black staircase, and eventually we're gonna have a tool bench there to fill in the gap, and we have the black ceiling. So this paint job is pretty much wrapped up. All right guys, that was it for this episode. The door and the staircase are fully painted. We changed out the doorknob and the deadbolt. Things are looking a lot better, so I'm very happy with that. Next episode is going to be another quick one where we're going to look at changing the lighting in here and putting the cover back on the hatch. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications when new videos become available. Check me out on Instagram at BalkanMoto 2018 and check out BalkanMoto.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.